Hey guys, welcome back to Kingna. In today's video, we're checking out 10 incredible classic cars that are all priced between $600 and $3,000. These beauties are perfect for restoration projects, whether you want a full overhaul or just a little bit of work to get them back on the road. Let's dive right in. This 1977 Ford Maverick is a budget-friendly project car for those with a passion for American classics. It's got a 250 inline six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The body, unfortunately, is heavily rotted and beyond repair, so it's ideal for someone who's looking to salvage parts or rebuild the engine. Speaking of which, the motor was running but needs a carburetor tune-up and possibly a full rebuild. A broken starter cable needs replacing, and the gas tank was cut out. Despite its rough state, the car comes with a clean Michigan title, making it a potential bargain for any DIY enthusiast. Two, 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe 2D. Price $2,500. Location Oxnard, California. The 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado was a revolutionary car when it was released, being one of the first front-wheel drive American cars. This one is still running, but it needs a good deal of cosmetic work. The headlights are non-functional, though the taillights and turn signals are working just fine. Previous updates include a new fuel tank and lines, along with a recently replaced alternator and drum brakes. With a little elbow grease, this Toronado could be the perfect project for a classic car lover who appreciates Oldsmobile's innovation. 1977 Chevrolet Monza two-door, price $2,500. Location, Ashland City, Tennessee. This 1977 Chevrolet Monza is in surprisingly good condition, given its age. The seller notes that the car runs well, but does need some work. It's a matching numbers car, which adds to its collectability. The seller can't work on it anymore due to health issues, so it's a quick sale for $2,500 OBO. With clear title and good overall condition, this is a great find for someone who wants a relatively easy project car that doesn't require major overhauls. 4. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro, price $3,000. Location, Tehachapi, California. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro is built for speed with a 3.5 engine paired to a turbo 350 transmission. While it runs great, the car is a true project with a stripped interior and only a new adjustable bucket seat in place. Updates include a new distributor cap, spark plugs, and an Edelbrock AVS carburetor. The seller originally planned to turn it into a drag car, but has decided to go in a different direction. If you're interested in a performance build, this Camaro offers great potential. Number 5. 1970 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. Price $3,000. Location Delta, Ohio. This 1970 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible is a rare gem, powered by a V8 390 engine with an automatic transmission. It's a true American classic and is priced at $3,000, which reflects its potential as a winter project car. The Galaxie runs and drives, and the seller is looking to recoup what they've put into it. They're also open to trades for equipment trailers or even motorcycles. If you're a fan of classic convertibles, this one could be a dream project. Number 7. 1968 Cadillac DeVille Coupe. Price $2,500. Location Phoenix, Arizona. The 1968 Cadillac DeVille is a true representation of luxury from the golden era of American cars. This one features its original 472 engine and automatic transmission, but it's been off the road for a while and will need towing. With a clean title in hand and priced at $2,500, this DeVille is a prime candidate for a full restoration. If you're looking to own a piece of Cadillac history, this car's spacious luxury and classic V8 power make it worth the effort. Number 8. 1976 Pontiac Firebird Esprit. Price $2,200. Location Bakersfield, California. This 1976 Pontiac Firebird Esprit is being sold piece by piece, but it's still available as a whole project car. It comes with a formula hood and a variety of body parts, including OEM quarter panels, doors, bumpers, and glass. The engine is a Pontiac 350 with a TH350 transmission, which was running fine before it was parked 4 years ago. With plenty of spare parts available, this Firebird is a great deal for someone who wants to build a classic muscle car from the ground up. 1975 Plymouth Roadrunner. Location Rochester, Pennsylvania. The 1975 Plymouth Roadrunner is a muscle car enthusiast's dream project. It's not currently drivable and needs floor and rear rail work, but the 318 engine runs and it yard drives. With bucket seats and a floor shifter, this real Roadrunner is packed with potential. The seller is offering it for $2,800 with cop wheels or $2,200 without. If you're looking for an authentic muscle car restoration, this Roadrunner could be worth the investment. 10. 1980 Chevrolet El Camino Sport. Price $1,900. Location Frenchtown, New Jersey. The 1980 Chevrolet El Camino is a unique blend of car and truck that's gained a loyal following. This one has a 305 V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a host of factory options, including bucket seats and an AC system. While it runs and drives, rust has taken a toll on the body, particularly the floors and roof due to a faulty sunroof. The fuel tank leaks as well, but replacements are readily available. At $1,900, this El Camino could be restored or used for parts. That wraps up our list of 10 classic cars, all priced between $600 and $3,000. Whether you're into muscle cars, luxury cruisers, or unique project builds, there's something here for every classic car enthusiast. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Kingna for more awesome classic car content. See you next time.